Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start very important question of percentage with the basic and the shortcut technique. Let us see the question. So here, first question is what? If the price of a commodity be raised by 40%, by how much percent must a household reduce this consumption of that commodity so as not to increase the expenditure? So first I am solving this question by the basic concept. After that, we will give you the simple shortcut technique. Let us see. So first what price could increase. So suppose the first price of the commodity is what? 100 rupees per kg. And new price is what? Raised by 40%. So we get what? 140 rupees per kg. Now question how much percent must a household reduce his consumption? So here he is taking 1 kg in 100 rupees. Now he is purchasing 1 kg in 140 rupees. So when the price increase, he don't want to spend more money. He want to spend only same money previously. That means so I not increase expenditure. That means he want to spend only 100 rupees. So we will find what? That means in 100 rupees, how much kg of this commodity he will purchase. So when we find by this rate in 100 rupees, then how much he find? 140 rupees 1 kg. So 1 rupees 1 by 140 and in 100 rupees multiply 100. So this 0 cancel and this is 5 and this is 7. So what he got? 5 by 7 kg in 100. So previously he was getting 100 rupees per kg and 1 kg in 100 rupees. But now he is getting what? 5 by 7 kg in 100 rupees, right? So previously 1 kg in 100 rupees and now 5 by 7 kg in 100 rupees. So how much they are getting the less? So less amount equal to what? That is 1 minus 5 by. Previously he was getting 1 kg, now he is getting 5 by 7 kg. 1 minus 5 by 7, we will get to what? 7 minus 5, 2. That is 2 by 7 kg he has to reduce. So we need the percentage. So percentage is what? Reduce, multiply 100 by original, that is the 1. So what we are getting? 200 by 7. So this is what? 7 to the 14. Here what? 6, so 60. 7, 8 the 56. So this is what? 4. So our right answer is what? 28 and 4 by 7%. One more time telling, price of commodity be raised by 40%. How much percent must a household reduce his consumption of that commodity so as not to increase his expenditure? For this type of question, first we are assuming the first rate was what? 100 rupees per kg. Then increase rate is what? 140 rupees per kg. Now the person don't want to spend more money when rate increase. That means he want to spend only 100 rupees. So in 100 rupees for the new rate, how much quantity he will purchase? So 140 rupees he purchasing 1 kg. So in 1 rupees, 1 by 140, in 100 rupees, multiply. So for less, divide, and for more, multiply. So 100 by 140, you can cancel direct 20, 25 is 100, 27 is 140. 5 by 7 kg. So now he is purchasing in 100 rupees 5 by 7. Previously, he was purchasing in 100 rupees 1 kg. So now how much less quantity he is purchasing? Initial minus final. 1 minus 5, that is 2 by 7 kg. Now you know if we need to find percentage reduction. How much they are reducing percentage. So less percent is what? Less into 100 by original. Original was 1 kg. So 200 by 7. When we divide this number 200 by 7, get 28 and 4 by 7 right now. But we can solve this question in a very simple way in a one line only. What? When this type of question is given, in price of the commodity increased. and then how much is. So every time there in reduce, that means here increase, here reduce. If here given reduce, it will be here increase. So you have to check what they given and what they ask. They are given raised, increased, or finding reduced. So always remember that means reduce percentage is what. So always you can use this technique, that is reduce percent equal to what? That increase percentage multiply 100 divided by 100 plus given percentage. Okay. So only for showing I'm writing 100 plus 40, you can write direct 140. So given percentage into 100 divided by 100 plus percentage. So direct we can write 40 into 100 divided by 140. Now 25 ja and 27 ja. So that we can write here 40 into 5 is what? 200 by 7. So same result we got 200 by 7, here 200 by 7. But this here we got in only one line. So 200 by 7 is what? 7 to the 14, here 660, 7 8 the 50, 28 and 4 by 7. So always remember this technique. Anytime this type of question comes, use this logic method, this tricky approach. Increase given and they are finding how much they reduce so that they don't increase in expenditure. Then simple rule is what? Given percentage into 100 divided by 100 plus 40. Okay, let us see the one more question. And see the next question. This next question is what? A student has to score. This question we will also solve by the two method, basic and tricky approach. A student has to score 30% marks to get through. That means if he's getting 30%, he become pass. If he get 30 marks and fails by 30 marks, he got 30, but he failed by 30 marks, then find the maximum marks set for the examination, right? So first we are finding the basic concept is what? Student has to score 30% marks. So total marks, suppose what? That is the X. So 30% of X you are getting. 30% of X is what? That means he become pass. When he get 30% of the total marks, he will pass. So 30% get and 30% fail. So that means what? We have to add this 30 plus 30. For passing, he needs 30 plus 30. That is what? 60. So 30% of X means 30 by 100 into X, and this is what? 60. Now you know the technique. Both sides, if multiply given, you can cancel numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, right? So here what? 1, here numerator 60, here 30. So you can cancel 30 to the 60. So direct now you can write 2 into 100 equal to what? 200. Our right answer is 200. Someone can say 30 by 100 x is what? X equal to 60 multiply 100 by 30. You can do like this also, but for saving time, you can cancel upper to upper, lower to lower. But this happen only in multiply. If plus sign given, minus sign given, we can't do this. So our right answer. Now, same question we can do in a very simple way. What? If this type of question given, student is scored 30% or 80% is given, and he is getting some marks and he failed by some marks. For this type of question, what technique? You just add the 2 marks. One is less and one is more. Add this number, mark. So 30 plus 30. We are finding what? Total marks. So this into 100 divided by percentage given. Percentage given what? 30. So that we can write 60 into 100 by 30. So 30 to the 60, we got our answer. So in this way, logically, this is the basic concept. Logic always come from the basic. So from this logic, we can, basic concept, we can take this logic. When we are finding any number that is the 30% he get for, need for pass, but he get only 30 marks and fail by 30 marks. That means total passing marks is what? 60. How much full marks? That percentage to be 60 you can find. You can solve this question by option also. Which option 30% is equal to what? 60. That is your answer. So mostly question we can solve by option method also. So here what they need for pass 30 plus 60 marks 5. So what option given? Maximum mark. And what we need? 30. So from the option you can check which option 30% is 60. That is our answer. So 30% of 200 is what? 60. I have already explained the technique to finding percentages. We are finding 30% of 200. Just multiply 30 to 200. 3 2 just 6,000. After 2-digit decimal, you will get your answer. So this is the technique for finding percentage. 30% of 200. So that you multiply 200 to 30. What answer you get after 2-digit decimal? So 200 into 30 was 6,000. So after 2 is 60. So you will get 60. So our right answer is 60. In this way, we can solve this question by 3 methods. One basic concept, one logic concept, and one direct option method. We can also solve this type of the question. Thank you.